In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Calendly. This quick and simple process only takes a few minutes, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to calendly.com. This is where we'll be conducting all the necessary actions to change your time zone settings. Once the homepage has loaded, the next step is to look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login screen. Here, you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Calendly account and then hit Continue. Remember, accuracy is key here to avoid any login issues. Next, you'll see a prompt asking for your password. Go ahead and enter your password and then click Continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. You're now a few steps closer to changing your time zone. You'll want to direct your attention again to the top right corner, where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to access more options. In the drop-down menu, there's an option labeled All Settings. Go ahead and click on this to enter the settings menu. Once you're in the settings section, scroll down until you find the time zone section. This is where you'll make the magic happen. You'll see a drop-down menu or a list of time zones available. Simply select the time zone that corresponds to your current location or the one that you need your calendar to align with. Choose carefully. Picking the correct time zone ensures your appointments are scheduled accurately. After you've made your selection, there's one final step to seal the deal. Look for the Save Changes button and click on it to confirm your new settings. This ensures all your scheduling reflects the updated time zone, so be sure not to skip this crucial step. And there you have it, a straightforward way to adjust your time zone settings on Calendly. It's a small tweak, but it can make a significant difference in ensuring that your scheduling is accurate and meets your needs. If you followed along and completed each step, your time zone is now successfully updated. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!